Metabolism is a vital process that encompasses all the chemical reactions in our bodies, converting food into energy and supporting essential functions like growth, repair, and maintenance. As we age, our metabolism undergoes significant changes, influenced by various factors such as hormonal shifts, lifestyle choices, and even genetics. Understanding these changes is crucial because they can affect our weight, energy levels, and overall health. In this video, we will delve into the fascinating world of metabolism and explore how it evolves over time. You'll learn about the primary causes of metabolic changes, including age-related hormonal fluctuations, muscle mass decline, and lifestyle factors like diet and physical activity. We'll also discuss the effects these changes can have on your body, such as weight gain, fatigue, and increased risk of chronic diseases. But don't worry, we won't just focus on the challenges. We'll also share effective management strategies to help you maintain a healthy metabolism as you age. From dietary adjustments to exercise routines, you'll discover practical tips that can empower you to take control of your metabolic health. So, whether you're curious about why your body feels different as you get older or looking for ways to boost your metabolism, this video is packed with valuable insights. Let's embark on this journey to better understand metabolism and its implications for our health. Understanding metabolism. Metabolism refers to the complex set of chemical reactions that occur within our bodies to convert food into energy. It plays a crucial role in maintaining life as it encompasses two main processes: catabolism and anabolism. Catabolism is the breakdown of molecules to release energy, while anabolism involves the synthesis of new molecules, using energy to build and repair tissues. Together, these processes ensure that our bodies function optimally, supporting everything from cellular repair to muscle growth. The impact of metabolism on our energy levels and overall health cannot be overstated. A well-functioning metabolism helps us maintain a healthy weight, supports physical activity, and influences how efficiently our bodies utilize nutrients. When metabolism is sluggish, it can lead to fatigue, weight gain, and a host of other health issues. Conversely, a robust metabolism can enhance energy levels and improve overall well-being. Several factors influence metabolic rates, including age, genetics, and lifestyle choices. As we age, our metabolic rate tends to decline, often due to a decrease in muscle mass and hormonal changes. Genetics also play a significant role, as some individuals naturally have faster metabolisms than others. Additionally, factors such as diet, physical activity, and sleep patterns can further impact how efficiently our bodies metabolize energy. Understanding these elements of metabolism is essential for anyone looking to optimize their health and energy levels. Metabolism changes over time. Metabolism is not a static process. It evolves significantly from childhood through old age. During childhood and adolescence, metabolic rates are typically at their peak. This high metabolic activity supports rapid growth, development, and energy needs for active lifestyles. However, as we transition into adulthood and beyond, metabolic rates generally begin to decline. This decrease can be attributed to several factors, including a natural loss of muscle mass and changes in body composition. Hormonal changes play a crucial role in this metabolic evolution. For instance, during puberty, hormones like growth hormone and sex hormones contribute to increased muscle mass and metabolic activity. As we age, particularly during menopause for women and andropause for men, hormonal shifts can lead to a further decline in metabolic rate. These changes can make it more challenging to maintain a healthy weight and energy levels. Lifestyle factors also significantly influence how metabolism changes over time. Regular physical activity can help counteract the natural decline in metabolic rate by preserving muscle mass and promoting a healthier body composition. Conversely, a sedentary lifestyle, poor dietary choices, and inadequate sleep can accelerate metabolic slowdown. Understanding how metabolism evolves from childhood to old age is essential for developing effective strategies to maintain energy levels and overall health throughout life. By recognizing these changes, we can make informed choices that support a vibrant and active lifestyle at any age. Causes of metabolic changes. Several factors contribute to changes in metabolism, and understanding these can help us manage our metabolic health effectively. One of the most significant influences is diet and nutrition. The types of foods we consume directly affect our metabolic rate. A balanced diet rich in whole foods, lean proteins, healthy fats, and complex carbohydrates can enhance metabolic function. Conversely, a diet high in processed foods, sugars, and unhealthy fats can lead to metabolic slowdown and weight gain. Additionally, meal timing and portion sizes can also play a role in how efficiently our bodies metabolize energy. Physical activity levels are another crucial factor influencing metabolism. Regular exercise, particularly strength training, helps build and maintain muscle mass, which is essential for a higher metabolic rate. Even moderate activities like walking or cycling can boost metabolism by increasing energy expenditure. On the other hand, a sedentary lifestyle can lead to muscle loss and a decrease in metabolic efficiency. Medical conditions and medications can also significantly impact metabolic rates. Conditions such as hypothyroidism, diabetes, and polycystic ovary syndrome, PCOS, can disrupt normal metabolic processes, leading to weight gain or difficulty losing weight. Certain medications, including antidepressants and corticosteroids, may also affect metabolism, either by altering appetite or changing how the body processes energy. By recognizing these various factors, we can take proactive steps to support our metabolism and overall health. Effects of altered metabolism. Changes in metabolism can have profound consequences on health and well-being, particularly when metabolic rates slow down. One of the most noticeable effects of a slower metabolism is weight gain, which can lead to obesity. When the body burns fewer calories than it consumes, excess energy is stored as fat. This can create a cycle where weight gain further decreases metabolic rate, making it increasingly difficult to lose weight and maintain a healthy body composition. Moreover, altered metabolism is closely linked to the development of chronic diseases. Conditions such as type 2 diabetes, cardiovascular disease, and metabolic syndrome are often associated with metabolic dysfunction. When the body struggles to process nutrients effectively, it can lead to insulin resistance, high blood pressure, and elevated cholesterol levels, all of which increase the risk of serious health issues. The psychological effects of metabolic changes should not be overlooked either. Individuals experiencing a slowdown in metabolism often report feelings of fatigue and low energy. This can impact daily activities, reduce motivation for physical exercise, and contribute to a sedentary lifestyle. Additionally, the frustration of weight gain and health concerns can lead to anxiety and depression, creating a negative feedback loop that further exacerbates metabolic issues. Understanding these consequences is essential for recognizing the importance of maintaining a healthy metabolism. By addressing the factors that influence metabolic health, individuals can take proactive steps to enhance their overall well-being. Management of metabolic health. Managing and optimizing metabolism is essential for maintaining overall health and well-being. One of the most effective strategies is to adopt a balanced diet rich in nutrients. Consuming a variety of whole foods, including fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, whole grains, and healthy fats, provides the body with the essential nutrients it needs to function optimally. Foods high in fiber can also aid digestion and promote a feeling of fullness, helping to regulate appetite and prevent overeating. Regular exercise plays a crucial role in boosting metabolism. Engaging in both aerobic activities, like running or swimming, and strength training exercises can significantly enhance metabolic rate. Strength training, in particular, helps build muscle mass, which burns more calories at rest compared to fat tissue. Incorporating physical activity into your daily routine not only helps maintain a healthy weight, but also improves energy levels and overall fitness. In addition to diet and exercise, implementing lifestyle changes can further support a healthy metabolic rate. Prioritizing adequate sleep is vital, as poor sleep can disrupt hormonal balance and negatively impact metabolism. Managing stress through mindfulness practices, such as yoga or meditation, can also be beneficial, as chronic stress can lead to hormonal changes that promote weight gain. Staying hydrated is another important factor, as even mild dehydration can slow down metabolic processes. By focusing on these strategies, individuals can effectively manage and optimize their metabolism, leading to improved health and vitality over time. Conclusion. In this video, we explored the fascinating topic of metabolism and how it changes over time. We discussed the fundamental processes of metabolism, including catabolism and anabolism, and highlighted how factors such as age, diet, physical activity, and hormonal changes influence metabolic rates. Understanding these aspects is crucial, as they significantly impact our energy levels, weight management, and overall health. We also examined the consequences of altered metabolism, including the risk of weight gain, obesity, and chronic diseases, as well as the psychological effects like fatigue and low motivation. This underscores the importance of actively managing our metabolic health. By adopting a balanced diet rich in nutrients, engaging in regular exercise, and making positive lifestyle changes, we can optimize our metabolism and enhance our well-being. As we wrap up, Remember that taking control of your metabolic health is a journey that can lead to a healthier, more vibrant life. If you found this information valuable, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel for more insightful content on health and wellness. Don't forget to like this video and share it with friends and family who might benefit from understanding metabolism better. Your engagement helps us create more informative videos that empower you to make positive changes in your life. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.